Hello kids, how are you? Let's make a colorful cloak. We will use dark blue color in needle, black color in eyebrow and eyes, black color, red color in lips and tongue, 1. Orange color in 1, 2. Gray color in 2, 3. Beige color in 3, 4. Pink color in 4, 5. Green color in 5, 6. Red color in 6, 7. Blue color in 7, 8. Yellow color in 8, 9. Purple color in 9, 10. Brown color in 10, 11. Violet color in 11, 12. Sky blue color in 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bye bye.